मनोज सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं प्लीज. मनोज सर. Rakul Preet, the very gorgeously talented Pooja Chopra, ladies and gentlemen. The producer of the movie, Mr. Sheetal Bhatia. Pen Studios say it's an honor. We have Mr. Jayanti Lal Gada हमारे साथ यहाँ पे. And from Reliance Entertainment, Mr. Sameer Chopra. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for this entire team जिन्होंने बहुत सारी मेहनत की है इस फिल्म को आप तक लाने के लिए. And इससे पहले कि I know आप लोग के बड़े सारे सवाल हैं उनके जवाब आपको मिले. नीरज से I have a सवाल for you and that is what is that one reason जिस वजह से आपने ये specific story जो है इसको चुना?
First of all, I'd like to thank you guys for turning up and sorry for the little bit of delay that we had today. The subject is very close to me. जब हम लोग बेबी शूट कर रहे थे
जी
उसी दौरान इसका जो जर्म है that started forming and after MS we were itching to go on to this film.
Right.
It's about two people belonging to two different generations और उनका जो point of view है वो कैसे clash करता है.
Right.
बाकी as you saw the trailer.
Right. We just loved it. Everybody in fact loved it. Cast से मैं सीधे यहाँ पे जानना चाहूँगा and we'll start with Rakul. Your experience, you know, I know बड़े सारे सवाल हैं वहाँ से आएंगे. Your experience इस फिल्म को शूट करते वक्त का.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Experience was amazing.
Yeah.
I've said this before also, that I've always been a fan of Neeraj sir's School of Films.
Right.
And it was amazing to be working with him. And I'm a Fauji kid.
Yeah.
So for me to be part of a film that talks about army is something great. So yeah, it's been a wonderful journey and I'm just looking forward to it now.
Sure. Thank you so much. Siddharth, for you, how was it?
Yes, hello, good afternoon everyone. Super excited. Yari, hamari picture with Neeraj sir and the whole team is here. Well, I'm not an army kid directly, but my dadu was in the army, so I keep saying that. And मेरे dad बहुत खुश है मेरे को इस uniform में देखकर. So hopefully once he sees the trailer, he'll be happy. He always wanted one of us, me and my elder brother, to join the army. But obviously we didn't. So I'm pretty happy to come with this story and be a part of Neeraj sir's story. And it's very relevant. I think it's very important, as Neeraj sir's all his films have a great message in it. And I'm representing a small part in portraying the younger generation point of view. There we have the slightly older generation point of view. I would say the biggest challenge.
Who refuses to acknowledge that he's any older than Siddharth?
पिक्चर का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज अगर आप पूछेंगे तो मनोज सर को थोड़ा सीनियर दिखाने का था. The biggest challenge कि इनके लुक टेस्ट कम से कम 15 लुक टेस्ट हुए सर. कितने लुक टेस्ट हुए?
And he put on weight for this film. You see, he put on weight about 10 kgs, which he lost immediately after filming.
So हमने बहुत मेहनत करी मनोज सर पे उनको मेरा सीनियर दिखाने के लिए, और जो आप रिजल्ट देख ही रहे हैं, to the prosthetics and the styling.
मनोज सर, your views. जवाब देना पड़ेगा. मैं तो कहूँगा जवाब दीजिए आप.
नहीं, बहुत मज़ा आया. और नीरज जी के साथ उनके डायरेक्शन में मेरी ये तीसरा काम है. आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि दूसरा काम कौन सा था. दूसरा आउच है जो शॉर्ट फिल्म के थे.
कह रहे एक बढ़ा दिया खुद.
दूसरा आउच स्पेशल 26 आउच, और इसके बाद ये काफ़ी एक्सटेंसिव शूटिंग थी. और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि पूरी शूटिंग के दौरान में Neeraj ji was not feeling well, but still he kept the team together, kept the spirit really high all the time, and that that made the whole difficult task look so easy. हमने फिल्म को एक के बाद एक सारे जो लोकेशन में अलग लोकेशन में जाके शूट किया है, और सारे लोकेशन के अपने challenges थे, apart from our director not feeling well. And जो हमने डबिंग करते हुए जो रिजल्ट देखा है, which is amazing. I'm so proud of this product, and this is definitely going to be one of my best film in my career.
Superb. Thank you, Manoj sir. Pooja, your experience?
Shukriya. I don't know. Honestly, I feel very, very speechless right now, because this movie really, really means a lot for me. It was always a dream, or actually more than that, to be working with this gentleman here. And I was extremely fortunate to work with him and Ouch, and again now. The stellar cast that we have in the film is, I think I consider myself extremely blessed to be a part of such a film, and I know this film will always be extremely, extremely special for me. Thank you, Neeraj sir. Thank you so much. Manoj sir, thank you so much again for the second time. Thank you, Sameer. Thank you, Sheetal sir. Sid, you've been an amazing co-star and a lot of fun to hang around with. Rakul, although we've not have scenes with, but I've seen your work and I really like it. And I hope that all of you also like the film. And thank you so much.
I'm sure all of us are going to love it, yeah, once we see it on the 26th
Fingers
January.
crossed. I'm really nervous. I think I'm...
जी I know आप लोगों के बड़े सारे सवाल होंगे तो या you can shoot now. कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं? माइक सरकार नहीं हो रहा ऑन. जी
चेक 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 चेक. हाय नीरज सर, सवाल ये है कि किस तरीके से आप इतने अलग अलग विधा के एक्टर्स को एक साथ ला करके फिल्म बनाते हैं? क्या कहते हैं आप उनसे?
बस स्क्रिप्ट भेज देता हूँ और उन पे छोड़ देता हूँ कि भाई उनको उनका किरदार पसंद आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. फॉर्चुनेटली दे हैव ऑलवेज रिस्पॉन्डेड इन अ वेरी encouraging manner.
Underestimate us. But Sid is not like that. Sid is somebody who's always come to you, who will always ask you questions, who's always, willing to have some answers for all the questions that he has, which is a fantastic thing about him.
हाय नीरज, ज्योति फ्रॉम जूम. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि जब इस तरह के कॉन्सेप्ट पर फिल्म बनती है तब कहीं नहीं कभी ना कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती है किसी सीन्स को लेकर, कुछ डायलॉग्स को लेकर. तो क्या आपने प्लानिंग की है कि ऑफिसर्स को दिखाया जाए या उनकी अगर वो कुछ मांगते हैं कि यहाँ चेंजेस हो जाए या कुछ चीज़ें को आपने सोचा है इस बारे में?
मुझसे पूछ रही हैं?
कोई भी जवाब दे दे.
Right now the film is far from getting finished. We are right now in the post production. So as and when the right time comes, we'll follow the right process. Thank you.
जी, दूसरा सवाल ये है
कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी. ड्रामा है, सिंपल ड्रामा है, बट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा ड्रामा है और एक नए सेटअप में होता है, आर्मी में होता है. और जैसा कि नीरज जी ने बताया कि सीनियर और जूनियर के उनकी राय को लेकर के है, बदलते हुए समाज को लेकर के है, बदलते हुए परिवेश को लेकर के है. तो इसलिए मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इसमें कोई ऑब्जेक्शनल चीज़ है.
जी, दूसरा सवाल ये है कि जब भी दो फिल्में आती हैं कहीं ना कहीं बार में ये खबरें आती हैं कि उनकी इनसे प्रॉब्लम है, चल रही है, कोई एक दूसरे का प्रमोशन नहीं करता. लेकिन आप ही ने कहा कि आप सब दोस्त हैं, अक्षय और आप लोग, तो क्या एक दूसरे का फिल्म प्रमोट करते भी नजर आएंगे आप लोग सोशल मीडिया और सारी जगह?
सोशल मीडिया पे हुई नहीं तो बाकी इनके हाथ में.
यार अभी तो हमारी प्रमोशन शुरू हुई है, पहले वो हो जाए, पहले आप ट्रेलर देख लें, हमें पता चले लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या है, तो फिर हम देखेंगे. ऑब्वियसली एज आई सेड, सर ने जैसे बोला कि हम कुछ ही दिन पहले हम लोग सब लंच कर रहे थे और ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. 2 पिक्चरें आ रही हैं उस दिन पे. आई थिंक नेशनल हॉलिडे है, इवन बिजनेस वाइज काफ़ी जगह है, लोगों के पास छुट्टियां हैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान में देखने के लिए. और ऐसा नहीं कि पहली बार हो रहा है, तो हो चुका है ऐसे पहले और इस बार दोस्तों के साथ हो रहा है. तो देखते हैं. आई थिंक पीपल विल बी स्पॉइल्ड फॉर चॉइस 2 पिक्चरों के बीच में जो वर्ल्ड वाइज काफ़ी अलग है, and it's great for the audience.
Manoj sir, towards your right, Justin from PTI here. Manoj sir, for the large part of your career, your image as an actor was associated with you being predominantly working in indie space, alternate cinema and dark films. The mainstream kind of stayed away for you since a long time. I mean, Avils are here and there. Do you feel when you look back, I mean, now Ayari and Special Chabbis has been...
Yeah, even Rajniti.
Yeah, right. Did you ever feel that perhaps the guys in the mainstream film business didn't really have a created space for the actor like you, and you sort of felt neglected, that why am I not in that space, in the big league?
The last thing I ever feel is neglected, That's the last thing.
Yeah, I was half expecting that.
Because I sincerely feel that actors should not be having any kind of choice in terms of genre. They should be looking for all the great roles which are being written, be it in mainstream, commercial or indie space. And that's what I have been doing. I mean, it's not that I have not been, I was not getting offers from the mainstream cinema. It's just that, I was not so excited with those offers. And I was getting excited with all the offers which was coming from a different world, that is called indie space, as you just mentioned. And Ayari is, what is so great about Mr. Neeraj Pandey is that you know, in a mainstream space, he puts in so much of realism into his content and in the behavioral pattern of the characters, which make it so interesting. For me, when I see his films, I personally, you know, can't differentiate whether I'm working in an indie space or I'm working in a mainstream cinema. It's the behavior pattern of the characters, which is so lifelike, which is so real, and he wants you to just stick to the requirements of the character, which is quite prevalent in the indie space. So I feel at home working with him. I feel challenged with his kind of scripts, with the characters that he offers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Neeraj, straight. Hi. Abhishek here.
Hi.
If we talk about this here, films like Tube Light, films like Rise didn't work at box office. They were star-studded films, but people didn't like it. But अगर आपके फिल्म की बात करें, नाम शबाना हो या फिर Toilet, people liked it. So what is that thing which you think worked and people liked it?
No, it's not that we know what will work and then we go out. These films work. That doesn't mean that we know everything. We focus on our strengths, which is content. We take a punt on an idea and then hope it works for the larger audience. And that's what we do. We don't look too far ahead. We don't sort of try and think too much. We just focus on the content and stay honest to it. Yeah.
And Pooja, hi. Hi. We are seeing you after a very long thing. Commando के बाद हम आपको देख रहे हैं. तो what was it?
Ouch, I think. How can you forget Ouch? It's one of my most.
So what was it? क्या था कि आप offers आपको I'm sure आ रहे होंगे, but what was it जो आप नहीं films कर रही थी? And सीधा अब हम आपको IRA में देख रहे हैं.
I really wish I could work like Manoj sir and do 4 films a year. I mean, as an actor, I would really want and wish that. But the problem is, even as an actor, I want to be excited about my work and role. And अब नीरज sir के साथ I worked in Ouch. And but then the thing is, then your expectations are so high that you only want to work in that institute or maybe the likes of it. And then anything lesser is offered to you, obviously you don't like it. So yeah, I mean, it has to be him or his likes. So sir, whenever अब sir next movie करेंगे, मैंने already अर्जी तो डाल दिया है.
Neeraj sir, on your right again. Yeah. Hi, Mikitaya. You just mentioned a while back that you are still in the post-production. So I'm guessing you've not yet submitted your film to the CBFC. Are you worried about the 68-day deadline?
Well, I think that my production would be in a better position to answer that question. What process has been already started? They are aware of it. I'm not right now as we speak. And they will be in a better position to answer that one. Thank you.
About the 68-day deadline? That
I'm worried about everything as far as rules and regulations are concerned. It's not, but I think they are more worried than me, and the production team would have already initiated the relevant documents or whatever.
Okay. Hello?
All right, before we wrap up, yeah, if we have a question. We'll come to the...
You've had a very successful 2017. Mayari, what are your plans for 2018?
The plans are in the pipeline right now, so it's too early to talk about it. But yes, you'll be seeing much more of us in 2018 and 19.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. गड़ा साहब से एक सवाल मैं यहाँ जानना चाहूँगा और उसका जवाब चाहूँगा आप हमें दें. यहाँ जो कोलैबोरेशन है प्लान सी स्टूडियोज़ और रिलायंस एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ पेन स्टूडियोज़ का, उसके ऊपर प्लीज़ थोड़ी सी रोशनी डालें.
वैसे तो नीरज जी की पिक्चर है और शीतल जी की पिक्चर हमने बहुत खरीदी है. पहली बार पार्टनर बन रहे हैं जी, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये पार्टनरशिप बहुत लंबी चलेगी.
राइट. Thank you so much. Also, Mr. Sameer Chopra from Reliance Entertainment. Please tell us about your collaboration on this thing.
Yeah, so Nitin, this is our 5th collaboration with Neeraj and Sheetal. IRE is incredibly special to us and we can't really wait to get started. We have actually now. Yeah. 26th Jan it is, so here we are.
Yes, and I'm sure all of us are going to love it. जा रहे हैं हम सब देखने के लिए. Looking forward to this one. We have some brilliant people यहाँ पे हमारे साथ जिनको मैं स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा. And we'll start with इस फिल्म में जिन्होंने बड़ा कमाल का बैकग्राउंड स्कोर दिया है, संजय चौधरी साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, ladies and gentlemen, please. Also a lyricist extraordinaire कहता हूँ मैं उन्हें, और जब वो लिखते हैं या बोलते हैं तो कमाल कर जाते हैं. Mr. मनोज मुंतशिर, ladies and gentlemen. और अब one of my favorite singer composers, the one and only Ankit Tiwari, and of course the one and only a very dear friend and a very talented music composer, singer Rocha Kohli, ladies and gentlemen, please. इस entire team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Ayari releasing on 26 January 2018 Republic Day पे. So we'll have a quick photo op, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. The cast and Neeraj sir, you also.
Excuse me. बैठ गया ना प्लीज. Still. उधर से निकल जाओ ना.
हाँ,